Oh, that's a hook in the finger. Well, got a hook in my finger, dropped the fish. It's amateur hour.
Okay, I'm going to do a little intro here because I forgot to make one while I was fishing. What I was doing today was using just some light tackle, like a 1000 size spinning reel with 6 pound mono on a light action rod that's actually somewhere between a light and an ultralight. Throwing a 1-inch gulp minnow on a 1/64 ounce jig head. So just real light tackle, chasing after these bigger sunfish here. Like you can see in this clip, there's a red ear kind of swimming around protecting its nest, and then here you see some bluegill swimming around. All of them were kind of mixed in together. Some were spawning, some weren't. Some were just kind of cruising around. The ones that were cruising around are the ones that I was noticing were hitting. I was wade fishing because it was hot, and I had just gotten off my kayak, which is why the video was also from kind of far away, but I hope it's still enjoyable to watch. And you can see here what I was doing was just bouncing this jig head along, just kind of popping it up and letting it sink down, popping it up and letting it sink back down. I did manage to get one little clip here of a bass chasing the lure, and then I was able to get one short clip of a fish fighting. Other than that, everything else was just fish kind of cruising around, which you'll see at the end of the video.
I'm going to take off the life jacket because I'm 2.5, 3 foot of water. Clip on this little thing. Grab my little rod. And we are going to try a minnow again. There's some little bass cruising around over here as well. Maybe we'll get lucky and hook one of those. I really hope the GoPro's catching it. I hope this camera's still recording. I should be in frame. I mean, right off the bat, got one. As soon as it hit the water, look at that. That minnow's already tore up. But beautiful big old sunfish there. See if I can. There's a couple really big ones in there with them. See if I can spot one and then try to catch it. Oh, this one's really pretty. Come on, dude, open your mouth. There's a real pretty one sitting right here. It's not the biggest one, but it's got real broad stripes. Nope, get away. I want to catch him. Get away from it, little dude. Got one. Not the one I wanted, but I got one. Oh, that's a hook in the finger. Well, got a hook in my finger, dropped the fish. It's amateur hour. Man, there's a big one right there. This one's really pretty. The spots or stripes on it are very defined. I'm afraid of that hook now. Of course, when I'm almost done for the day, the wind decides to pick up, start moving my kayak around. It makes it where the water's just choppy enough on top that I can't exactly see what's going on. But there's another just good sized one. Not quite as big as the other ones, but nothing wrong with it. There's some bigger ones sitting a little further away. We'll see if we can get one of them to bite. Man, these little things come out of... You can't even get to the bottom to the ones that I'm trying to throw at because one just comes from nowhere to grab it. Found one that still wanted... Ooh, this one's interesting. I haven't caught one like this yet. So I will walk back over here for it. Open your mouth, dude. His tail kind of, but these... And his pectorals are on the side. Where's the one underneath his gills? Is it the pectoral fin? Anyways, the fins on the bottom of him were black. But he was rude and he wouldn't stay calm. Just another one that's so pretty with the blue on the chin and the orange on the sides. And away he goes. It's crazy how many of them there are that just don't even, like, they're not even looking at it. They couldn't care less. That one cared. Maybe this one won't be such a douchebag about it. Ow. His fins are in my hand. Still a douchebag. Ow. I guess I'm not going to drop him since he's impaling me. Holy crap, fish. Stop. See, I think this is the pectoral fin here. I'm not sure what this fin right here is. But this is the anal fin. I know that. Dorsal fin. I think that's pectoral. What is this one? Anyways, it's black. Not all of them are like that. They've all been just a little bit different color. I think that's neat. All right, go back, go back, go back. Not noon yet. Usually fishing in the summer, I mean, it usually slows down a lot by around now, but I'd say you have at least until noon to still have a good chance at catching some fish. And it's a pond, so you know there's always a good chance of catching fish. But in that real just middle of the day, just hot, miserable, usually fishing slow. You don't want to be doing anything. The fish just came up and hit it. Flapping my gums, missed it. But yeah, you don't want to be doing anything. That fish don't want to be doing anything. Oh goodness, that's a better fish. At least it's fighting like a better fish. It don't look like a better fish, but man, the way it hit it. Oh, never mind. I take it back. That's a better fish. Keep that hook away from my hand, dude. There we go. That maybe is the best of the day. Beautiful bass. All bass are beautiful, but I don't know, he's just a nice color. I like him. All right, here you go, dude. Swim on. I can't believe it. Sun's out, not a cloud covering it. 11:21, caught a fish on top water. One of them's chasing my wacky worm, but it's not chasing to eat it. It's saying get away from my eggs. There's fish. Now, dude, chill out. That didn't happen. I meant to let him go. I didn't want to show the camera anyways.
Okay, just gonna kind of recap what we did. Like I said at the beginning, just using the real light tackle and then those real small baits. So a 1-inch gulp minnow on a 1/64 ounce jig head, just kind of hopping it along, letting these fish chase it. I could see the fish from where I was standing. I was somewhat sight casting to them, which wasn't exactly very successful because almost every time I tried to sight cast to one, a different fish would pick it up. So that didn't work out, but it was still fun to catch the fish. And what I got here is just some of the underwater video that I got, and then some from where the GoPro was sitting, where I was thinking it was catching the video of the fish actually biting. It wasn't. It just caught a few fish kind of cruising around. So that's what's going to be at the end here. I hope you enjoyed watching the video. Thanks for watching.